The vehicle we're working on is a 5x112 bolt pattern. The new wheels we're installing are a 5x114.3 or 5 on 4.5. You're going to need a socket set to remove your existing nuts and bolts, torque wrench to tighten your new nuts and bolts, 17mm socket and extension to fit your new PCD adjusting nuts or bolts. Another part that's crucial for this install are hub-centric rings. They're important for hub-centric fitment and ensure your vehicle's smooth ride. They should be labeled accordingly to your wheel's center bore and vehicle's hub size. Make sure they have a snug fit in the center bore of your wheel and on your vehicle's hub. If you tighten down wheels that are not hub-centric to your vehicle without a hub-centric ring, the PCD adjusting nuts or bolts will pull the wheel into one direction or another, not properly seating it on the vehicle's hub. You'll see two signs of an improperly seated wheel. First, you will notice that the center of the wheel will wobble when spun. You will also notice that the outer diameter of the wheel will have a wheel hop. Improperly seated wheels will not only make your vehicle ride terrible, but are also unsafe and could lead to parts failures. When installing your PCD adjusting nuts or bolts, tighten fully by hand, one at a time, in a star pattern, as you can see here in this video. Give the wheel a spin, make sure it's spinning straight to ensure that it's seated properly on the vehicle's hub. Now, using your torque wrench, tighten your PCD adjusting nuts or bolts down to proper vehicle spec in that same star pattern. Thanks for watching.